On behalf of the Council, the outgoing leadership formally turns over the symbols of leadership and stewardship of the RDC-10 to the new chairperson, Honorable Governor Henry S. Waminal of Misamis Occidental. The RDC-10 banner is presented to him as the emblem of unity and collective identity as a council. It embodies the region's shared vision, development aspirations, and the enduring partnership among the government, the private sector, and civil society in pursuit of inclusive and sustainable growth. The RDC-10 Manual of Operations is entrusted to him as the primary reference and guide for Council's operations. It outlines the institutional framework, rules and responsibilities, and decision-making mechanisms of the Council, ensuring that processes remain transparent, principled, and aligned with national and regional priorities. The RDC-10 gavel is handed to him as a symbol of the authority vested in him by the Council to preside with fairness, clarity, and firm resolve as he leads Northern Mindanao toward greater progress. In addition, it is with great pride that the two major documents are formally presented to him, which DepDep 10 as the RDC-10 Secretariat spearheaded in the formulation and updating, translating the region's long-term vision into strategic and actionable interventions. These are the Northern Mindanao Regional Development Plan 2023 to 2028 midterm update and the Regional Physical Framework Plan 2013 to 2040 2025 update. With these symbols, the Council expresses its full confidence in his leadership and reaffirms its commitment to support him as he guides the RDC-10 in fulfilling its mandate for the people of Northern Mindanao. The Council and its Secretariat stand firmly behind Governor Waminal, ready to work with him in advancing the region's regional development agenda.